The state's security has escalated its terror campaign on our young girls and women.
Our streets are no longer safe for us young girls.
Our homes are no longer safe.
Over 50 women and young girls have been raped since 14 January 2019.
There is no excuse to sexual abuse.
Senzenina, 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 Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Senzenina, 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 Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Tata Seiko, Senzenina, 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 Senzenina. Stop the rape now!
When soldiers rape women, you begin to doubt their capacity to defend this nation.
Our women, our pride.
Siyala ukubanjwa iganyavu sikhathele. Jaramba baqathi ngalo.
Justice for our women now.